Label Planet's World of How To presents How to Find Label Templates for Square Labels. Label Planet's Label Templates. We supply free templates for all our label sizes in Word and PDF formats. Word templates can be used with word processing software and applications that can edit docx files, for example, Word for Mac, and Pages. PDF templates can be used with design software and applications that can edit .pdf files, for example, Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. How to find Square Label Templates. Visit Label Planet, and either type the first part of our product code into the search bar and select the template option. Or, click on Templates in the menu. This is our Label Templates home page. Our templates are grouped by shape, so you need to click on Label Templates for Square Labels. Templates are listed by number of labels per sheet, so scroll down to find and click on your label size. All of our label template pages include full measurements for each size, a set of label templates. Click on a row to download a template. Notes about printing each label size. Word templates are saved to your Downloads folder. PDF templates are opened in your browser, so you'll need to save a copy to your device. Our home page looks different on tablets and mobiles. Here's how to reach our template home page, using a tablet or mobile device. Search for the first part of our product code and select the template option. Or, click on the menu button and select Label Templates. How to find other label templates. Thank you for watching.